Hold on. Where do you think we are?
Oh, we're at Disneyland, I said.
Where?
Oh, we're at Disneyland, I said.
Nora, we are at Disneyland. Are you okay? What are we gonna do here? You don't know? Can you believe it? Here, stand over here. I can't see you. Where are we?
Disneyland!
That's it?
We're good.
Well, I'm glad you figured it out. How'd you know? How did you know? Are you ready to go to Disneyland?
Yeah! The real Disneyland with princesses?
Yes, the real Disneyland with princesses.